I want to show you a secret that helps our inner circle client land at least 1 to 2 new clients every day using a free trial method. And no, you don't have to spend 10 hours per day setting up someone account to have them ditch you afterward. This is a legit free trial that will cost you no more than a 5-minute setup that you're going to do for the client by leveraging a white label video that we're going to put into the training and a 30-day free trial using GoHighLevel sub account. Again, like with $297 off GoHighLevel sub account, you can create new sub account for free of no extra charge. And we're going to be leveraging those things and giving to people for free to actually demonstrate authority and value. And next thing is to reframe our onboarding call as an upsell call. Now feel free to try this free trial campaign. This is highly inspired by Alex Hormozi money model book. And if you want to check out our absolutely free no-code AI agency course, make sure that you check the link in the description, as well as the one-on-one link to work directly with us to kickstart your no-code AI agency. Otherwise, enjoy the video. But the free trial offer is something new, so I want to explain to you, right, how that works. So with the free trial offer, we're normally offering, let me say, like, we're going to offer you a 7-day free trial with our AI agent. So this going to get you a lot of interest. Like, a lot of people are going to put their hand up, say, I want to speak to Sarah, yeah? But you need to know how to pick up the phone and talk to them and translate them into like a real paying customer. So first of all, you say, we're going to set up everything for you. So if they want this, they need to fill out an onboarding questionnaire, Sam. Onboarding questionnaire with like a really heavy qualified question, and then they would go to a calendar to book with you. So after that, they will go to a book call with you, right? So I'm just gonna maybe delete this. So after they see this as an ad, they're going to qualify question plus book onboarding call. Right, so basically they're gonna fill in, hey, my business is making like 20K a month, 100K a month, and I want AI agent installed for this reason. So we're gonna get a lot of data points from them, and they're gonna come into a book call with you. Does that make sense? But the problem, the big problem here is that this is officially an onboarding call, but you need to turn it to a sales call, because you don't make money on an onboarding call. Is that on this onboarding call, you say, hey John, how you going? This is Sarah. I obviously am the owner of this agency, and I'm looking to actually help you install this AI agent for your business. You're gonna kind of like pretend like be a professional like that. The first thing, you're gonna help them get real access to the CRM. So with the $297 that you have unlimited access to high-level sub account. So you go ahead and create a sub account, right? Create a sub account, give him his email and his password, just like we did for you.
So what is it called? Sub account?
Yeah, we're going to teach you how to do that. Don't worry about that. But what you do don't worry about the technical right now. It's just understanding the theory first, So you going to high level, create a sub account, which is, again, cost you nothing, because $297 give you unlimited sub account. You remember like this a hotel analogy? You have a hotel now, you just give them one room for free.
GoHighLevel, right?
Yeah, for $297 you can give people one hotel for free, yeah?
Okay.
And then you're gonna give them one EchoSetter sub account also, which is also, again, cost you nothing, right? During that 30-day free trial. And then you're gonna give them a bunch of white label video. Now, white label video means that this video will show them how to set up high level and EchoSetter without any brand, right? So it's like just show them how to do it themselves. Say, hey, look, this is your password you actually have to give them one access, not just 2 access. This is your password for the AI agent software, and this is a setup video, and it's really long. It's a lot of setup video. So it's like 20 of them. So this is the software, and then after that, you give them access. You want to actually follow lesson number 6 to discover the question, right? So once you give them access, say, look, I want to know more about your business. Why don't we just start, like, right now you should have a lot of trust and a lot of reciprocation, because you just give them like a bonus. So they like listening to you. Like you're listening to me right now, right? So you say, hey, I want to know more about your business. How long have you been running your business for? What's your goal? What seems to be the challenge? The script is literally on module 6. So when you discover the pain point, at the end, you can offer them, say, look, John, I feel like there's 2 options from here, John. You can take this video and set up everything yourself. Again, you got the software for free for 7 days, and then you get the setup video for free. You can set it up yourself, or you can have our team set it up for you, right? Even if they set it up for 7 days, right? Before you give access and stuff, you need to put like a Stripe account, a 7-day free trial,
Okay.
Stripe link. So you actually have that card on file. You have a Stripe account already, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how that works, right? Just to be clear.
No, I don't how that works. So I did use Stripe before. Yeah.
Yeah. So how it works is that you go to Stripe and you create a 7-day free trial, right? And then they will put their card in. It will charge them nothing, and then at 7 days it will start charging them. I would say 7-day free trial plus $4.97, right, per month. So that means after 7 days, their charge will automatically get $4.97 per month. So this way, you actually get a card on file. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. So there's no onboarding cost?
No, like you're actually paying to get this onboarding cost. You're actually paying to get this onboarding call. It's a sales call. It's a sales call. This guy has an
I
onboarding
get
call.
that. I was asking for the setup. Should I not be charging them or something like that?
There's no setup. That's why I'm saying like this thing will cost you 2 minutes, and you should do it on that call.
Got it. Okay.
It will cost you 2 minutes, but we need to organize everything. Like you need to organize everything, right? I will show you how to do that in a Loom video or maybe in a separate Zoom call. But after this, you give them access and making sure like, hey John, let's log in. Make sure like you log in okay. And this is the video. You can share on Google Drive. You know, there's a video of how to set up everything. All right. And then at the end, you said, hey, you can watch the video, this massive amount of video, or you could just do it yourself. Right? So yeah. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
So that's how to do the 7-day free trial offer. Okay?
And these calls will be on Zoom. Should it be on the like normal call?
What is a normal call?
The phone call or the Zoom calls, will this be on Zoom calls?
Yeah, be on Zoom call.
Okay, got it.
Like you gotta keep in mind, this free trial is only one of the thing. We're gonna be running 3 or 4 different offers for you.
Okay.
See which one is good. You know, focus on the module. Once you get some client on the free trial, we'll show you how to set it up and stuff. Okay?
Yep.
Alright, it should take you 2 minutes, but it should give you $2,000 worth of opportunity. That's the opportunity cost we want to have. If a free trial take you 2 minutes to set up, but it gives you $2,000 opportunity, which is on this end. I'm just gonna interrupt you a bit, Sam. Here, in this, $2,000, Sarah. You say, hey John, do you want to set up AI agent yourself, or we can set it up for you for $2,000?
Okay.
And you know what? For $2,000, we'll give you 3 months worth of this. So you're actually paying $500. We give you 3 months worth of the software. You want to make this, you need to read the book Money Model by Alex Hermosi. If you actually read the book, he said like, hey, how do you sell something high ticket, right? Is that you make it so good that the low ticket, low ticket seems stupid. What if like, let's say you're my customer right now, and I say, hey, this thing is $2,000, but if you take action right now, you get 3 months of the software cost, and 3 months of the software cost is only $1,500.
Right.
So how much you're paying here? It's five.
That's what he did with the Skool community too. It's $9 per month now.
Yeah, I mean, like it's cool what he do, but it's even cooler that you do it with yourself.
Yes.
Because like if you pitch it like that, technically, if the guy on the other end perceive it well, it's like he paying $500 because he just saved $1,500 from the 3 months here. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Right.
So after 3 months, it would be 2,000. Is that what he's saying?
After 3 months, you can discuss, management fees and all that stuff.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. All right, I gotta go. Have a good one.
All right. Thanks, Vico.
Thanks. Bye.